I'd like to explain much more thoroughly exactly what a sloper is and how we derive one. A sloper is a basic template for all of our pattern making purposes. It does not include ease other than being able to take a deep breath. It does not include style lines, and it does not include seam allowance to sew it together. It's as if it's a jigsaw puzzle to put together to create a second skin for the body. This is called oak tag paper. It's very stiff, as you see. And this is what I'll use to create blouses, dresses, skirts, jackets, and coats. And I'll use part of it actually for the pants. I'd like to show you different style slopers because there are many different kinds, not just the torso sloper. I have laid out several quarter scale slopers. These are 1/4 of the size of an adult sloper. The torso, which this is the waist, so this comes down to the hips. This is the bodice sloper coming down to the waist only. This is a 1-dart bodice front sloper, 2 darts front sloper, and this is the back dart with a waist dart and a shoulder dart. This is a skirt sloper, back and front. 2 different sleeves, one without a dart, one with an elbow dart to give it a little shaping, and then a pant sloper. And this has just enough dartage to fit the body. Thank you for joining me, and see you next time.